Buck 110, that's a cat. And then the Kabar 1189s. I bought a couple recently. I couldn't find really any information on the internet regarding them. I wanted one because it had a double convex bevel. And as much as I like this knife, I don't like the hollow grind. I'm going to compare it to a Buck 110 because I think that's what America is familiar with. It's got 120 thousandths blade thickness. One of these Kabar 1189s blade thickness comes in at 135 thousandths. Another one comes in at 112 thousandths. I'm assuming there was some production variance, but I don't know much about these knives. They're significantly bigger, enough so that out of these three in the table right here, this one's the thinnest and closest maybe to the thickness of this Buck 110. But this knife is big enough that it won't go inside of a Buck 110 sheath. Like it's pretty tight and it will work, but the snap comes undone really super easily. Buck 110 weighs 7.3 ounces. The lighter Kabar 1189 weighs 6.77 ounces. The heavier Kabar 1189 it weighs 7.83 ounces. It's all like one piece of brass on each side of the steel portions of the knife. Both of these Kabars have like a laminated epoxy wood, super durable. This one I bought, it was kind of like profiled and beveled and pretty comfortable to hold in the hand. Honest to God, the Buck 110 feels better. This one had like very pronounced corners all around the perimeter, and I kind of had to take like a buffing wheel in order to like put a radius there so it was a bit more comfortable to hold. But anyways, yeah, there you are. I like those two better.